Want streak-free windows without turning cleaning into a whole weekend project? Then stick around because these 5 window vacuums are not all created equal. Coming in last place, we have the Kiato model. It is not a bad product, but in this lineup it feels more like a basic entry point than a standout option. It covers the essentials, and that is really the best way to describe it. In everyday use, this one gives you cordless cleaning, 2 blade sizes, and enough battery life for a round of mirrors, shower glass, and a few windows without much stress. For smaller apartments or quick touch-ups, that can be perfectly fine. In my experience, products like this are all about convenience, and Kiato does bring that simple grab-and-go feel. The problem is that it does not give you much of a reason to choose it over stronger competitors. The suction is lower than the better models in this ranking, and the published specs are very close to several other generic units on the market, so while it should handle light jobs, it does not feel especially distinctive. This is the one I would look at if you just want an affordable, no-fuss cleaner for occasional use, and you are not too worried about premium build or brand reputation. Links to all products from the review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have the Eave model, and this one feels like a slightly more buttoned-up version of that same budget-friendly formula. It is still very much a practical home cleaner, but the package feels a little clearer and easier to understand. What I like here is the balanced setup. You get 2 blade sizes, a cordless design, and enough runtime for regular home cleaning without having to rush. It also comes as more of a complete kit, which helps if you want something ready to use right out of the box. Compared with Kiato, it feels a bit more polished in how the product is presented. And that said, the actual performance ceiling still looks pretty modest. The suction rating is the same lower tier level, so if you are dealing with bigger panes, lots of condensation, or heavier water buildup, it may not feel as confident as the stronger options higher up the list. It is good, but it does not really push beyond basic. I would recommend this one to someone who wants a simple, approachable window vac set for routine home cleaning, and likes the idea of having the accessories included from day one. And while you're here, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place, we move into a more interesting option with the Ankuwa. This is where the list starts to feel less basic and more purpose-built, because now you are getting a true all-in-one approach instead of just a simple suction tool. The big selling point is convenience. This model combines spraying, wiping, and vacuuming into one unit, which can make the whole cleaning process feel smoother and faster. It also steps up in claimed suction and gives you a larger tank than some of the more basic models, so there should be fewer interruptions while you work. For bathroom glass, mirrors, and medium-sized windows, that kind of setup can save real time. Still, it is not perfect. The runtime is not as clearly documented as I would like, and that makes it harder to judge how it will perform in longer sessions. The 10-inch blade is also a little less wide than some rivals, so even with the stronger suction, it may not cover big surfaces quite as quickly. This is a smart choice for people who care more about an all-in-one cleaning process than raw brand prestige. If you want one tool that can handle the whole job in a simple, streamlined way, this is where things start to get compelling. Taking 2nd place is the ZRHI, and this one is the surprise contender of the group. On paper, it looks like the strongest of the lesser-known brands, and it is the kind of product that makes you stop and ask, could this be the value pick? Its main advantage is straightforward: stronger claimed suction than the mid-pack options. That should help it pull water off glass more decisively, especially on shower doors, larger windows, and mirrors where weak suction can leave you going back for a second pass. I also like the detachable tank and the cleaner, more focused design. It feels less like a kit and more like a tool built for one job. The catch is trust and consistency. Even though the numbers look impressive, the documentation still leans heavily on marketplace listings instead of a deeply established manufacturer ecosystem. And the tank is not especially large, so on bigger jobs you may still need to stop and empty it more often than you would like. I would point this one toward buyers who want stronger performance without jumping all the way to the premium price tier. It feels like the ambitious underdog in this ranking, and for the right person, that is exactly what makes it attractive. And in first place, we have the Karcher. This is the model that feels the most complete, the most proven, and honestly, the easiest to recommend if you just want the best overall choice. The headline feature is the huge battery life. A 100-minute runtime is not just a little better, it is a completely different class compared with the rest of this list. That means you can move from windows to mirrors to shower glass without constantly thinking about charging. On top of that, the removable blade and easy tank emptying design make the whole cleaning routine feel more refined. This is the one that seems built by a company that has done this for a while. Of course, the downside is price. Premium products usually ask for more money, and this one is no exception. If you only clean a couple of bathroom mirrors once in a while, it may feel like more machine than you really need. But if you want something dependable and less compromise-driven, this is where the value starts to make sense. This is the best fit for anyone who wants the strongest, all-around pick, especially for larger homes, frequent use, or anyone who is simply tired of buying tools that almost do the job. It is the one that feels like the upgrade you notice every time you use it. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video and pick the one that fits your space and your cleaning style best. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews.